Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Tradovate account to TradingView so you can easily trade from your TradingView platform. Super convenient and beginner friendly. So let's get started. First, I want you to start by logging into your Tradovate account. Once you're in, head over to your account section. This is where you'll find your details. Click on your account name at the top, then look for the Credentials tab. You'll need your account username and password, so keep those handy. Next, simply copy paste your username and password, right? Make sure you're copying them exactly as they appear. No extra spaces or missing characters. This part is super important because it's what allows TradingView to verify your account. Now, the final step is to now switch over to TradingView. On the bottom panel, you will click on the trading panel right over here, okay? So you will see a list of supported brokers. Go ahead and select Tradovate, right? You can easily look it up over here. Click on it. You can now easily copy paste your credentials, username, and password. All right. Make sure to choose the demo account first, even if you already have a funded live account. Prop firms still require demo mode for the connection. And once you have successfully entered your user and a password over here, click on connect and you will see your account appear right away. From there, you can check your balance, switch between multiple accounts, and view account information on the right side. And that's it. Once the market's open, you can click trade at the bottom to bring up the trading panel. Set your risk and start executing trades directly from TradingView. I hope you found this video very helpful.